Hey traders, welcome to the Science on Forex YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you exactly how to become a profitable trader by explaining multi-time frame technical analysis and order flow perspective. Now not waste any more time, let's go to the strength in the chart to find some good trading opportunities. Okay, so today I am going to talk about AUD USD and the reason for which I want to break down AUD USD because we are very near to having a good opportunities obviously capitalize on AUD USD. So I want to create full breakdown that usual I will be keeping as educational as possible. So first of all I speaking about the technical aspect of this market. So I will be breaking down the technical for AUD USD and we will then going to see what we have from commitment of trader perspective, which is hedge fund are currently doing in the market, and obviously it will help to you how to combine technical analysis and sentiment analysis correctly. By the end of video, by using the combination of our technical and order flow perspective, we will be able to understand where are the best probabilities for the next moment on AUD USD. Okay, let's jump into the chart. Now starting from the monthly time frame, what we can see in the market. Now generally speaking in the market, if we have impulsive move, what we will expect? It should be create corrective pattern. After that, it should create another impulsive movement continuous to the upside, especially for the creation of higher high and completion of impulse correction and impulse pattern. This is market exactly did. Market just completed impulse correction and impulse pattern to the upside and just printed higher high. Important rule, which is if created higher high and if resistance area was broken to the upside, that point this previous resistance turn into the support. So now what we can expect that market retests on the new support area and continues to the upside. Another important rule, which is market after creation of impulse correction and impulse pattern, market should create another corrective pattern or another impulsive move. Currently market creating corrective patterns before the impulsive movement. So in the monthly time frame, everything quite bearish. We can expect market will move to the downside, go and retest this demand area before creating continuous to the upside. Going down in the weekly time frame, what do we see? In the weekly time frame, now tested nicely weekly resistance area because we will expect to going down to the downside. After this impulse market processing corrective pattern to the downside before creating another impulsive movement. As well as on the weekly time frame, we can see very strong candle. Market come and rejected on this area and currently touching nice previous support area, which is turned into the resistance area. In the weekly and monthly time frame, potentially move to the downside. Let's go down into the daily time frame and see what we have from daily perspective. Now here on the daily time frame, what we have see this market, which is currently market testing previous daily support, which is now turned into the resistance area. In monthly, weekly and daily time frames are also showing move to the downside. Now if we going to see commitment of trader perspective, which is hedge fund are currently doing, what we can see the last report net position had decreased net position from 771 to minus 1.4k with added 1.6k and getting close 604. Currently we have 57.2k short and 55.7k long. Short are more than longs. Important point, which is Australian dollar net position decreased from 5.4k to minus 1.46 because we can expect Australian dollar getting weak against the USD. So we can expect market should go to the downside near future. Monthly, weekly and daily time frame combined with the core data are the best time frame for the measured direction of the market. When we come to the confirmation and enter to the trade, the best time frame is the 4-hour time frame. So what we will be monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective in this area. Currently we have 4-hour bullish market waiting for the convert 4-hour bullish market to the 4-hour bearish market for the enter to the sell trade. Trading is a risky business. Please be careful with your money. If enjoy the video, make sure press like button and comment below. Literally that it will support the creation more video, improve your knowledge. We will see you next video. Thank you.